What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, just kind of going to go over a few things that's on the car and basically what we need to do and what will be happening later in the week. I know I touched on it a little bit, but I'll go ahead and show you. So, let me go ahead and jump right on over to it. Alright, so, yeah, so we got this mark. It's messed up. The plastic overall is in bad shape. It's but yeah. So just ordered another one. So that should be here pretty soon. Also just found out that this tire has a bubble, but I'm not sure exactly where. I believe it's on the inside. When I just got my oil change, they mentioned it was on this tire. Haven't been able to see it yet, but that's gonna be getting replaced. I have my rear diffuser, hopefully I remember, but I'm gonna get the rear diffuser put on. And oh, I'm going to be getting a new grill. I don't know what that was, but yeah, I have a new grill that I ordered. It's coming in. Nothing wrong with this one, but it's gonna be a custom one, so it's not gonna have the Nissan logo, and it's gonna be all blacked out. So the front end should look a lot better. Still need to get some work done on the body. One of the homies was just telling me that they got a deal going on right now, but I'm still waiting until everything is done with the quarantine and everything to get that taken care of. But yeah, should look a lot better, and whenever I get that done, I'll probably get the new front splitter painted. I'll get the rear diffuser painted. Oh, I got side skirts on the way, and I might get this painted. But thinking about getting another one that's similar to the same design to put on here and get it merged together. Still on the fence about that one though. Might do that, might not, we'll see. But those parts are actually on the way. My wife's car, we're gonna be trading in here probably when we get the house, right after we get the house. So yeah, I ain't really doing much to this, but she's been driving my car to work, and right now, since I have that tire issue, she's not driving it, so she's driving this car. Just got the rental for the week, since I should have my tire replaced here in a couple days. But she said she liked the way it drives so far. It's the SV, the Rogue SV. Said she liked the size of it, and I know that's what she said, but yeah. It's alright so far. I think we've had 3 different Rogues for rental cars. So far only one of them has been horrible, and that was a base model. But yeah, I still need to drive this one. I haven't drove this one yet, but ain't really going out too much, so kind of leave it there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's pretty much just gonna do it for this video. I've been really doing too much here. Ain't going nowhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. So please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, have a good one. Peace.